How to find downloaded files on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find downloaded files on Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the File Manager app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, then here at the top, you'll see the option labeled as Bluetooth and Downloads. So there you can just tap on it. And now here in this section, you will see the list of all the files that are currently installed on your phone. And now here you will see all the files including documents, images, videos and other files as well. So here you can just tap on any file to open it, or you can just press and hold a file to access options like share, move, copy or delete. And that's it. That's how you can find downloaded files on your Android phone. So now with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.